Okay, in this video we will take a look at exercise number 2. In exercise number 2 we have a table here and we need to tick the boxes that match what we have here. So here you can see 4 sides and you can see different names of shapes. So what does that mean? It's like a question. Does each quadrilateral need to have 4 sides to be a quadrilateral? Of course, yes. It has to have 4 sides to be a quadrilateral. What about parallelograms? Squares? What about parallelogram, squares and rhombus, rectangle? Of course, each one, trapezium, each one of these shapes has to have 4 sides to have that name. So in order to have a rectangle, we will need 4 sides, so we tick the box. What about the rhombus? Of course, the rhombus has 4 sides. It has to have 4 sides, so we tick the box for each one of these shapes. Trapezium, that's the trapezium. Now the second one, all sides have the same length. All sides have the same length. Quadrilateral, do they need to have the sides with the same length to be quadrilateral? The answer is no, because we have, like we said, a trapezium, for example, it doesn't have 4 equal sides, but it's a quadrilateral, so we do not tick the box here. The shape that has 4 equal sides is square. A square and the rhombus. You see the rhombus? It has 4 equal sides. You see the square, it has 4 equal sides. That means each rhombus will have 4 equal sides. Each square will have 4 equal sides. So that's why we tick the box. We can have parallelogram with 4 equal sides, like this one. But this is not always going to be the case. Sometimes the parallelogram might have sides that are not equal. Maybe just like that. So you see, the 4 sides will not be the same. The next one, the opposite sides have the same length. For quadrilateral, it doesn't have to be the case each time. Again, you see the trapezium. The opposite sides do not have the same length. So we do not tick the box for quadrilateral. What about parallelogram? Yes. The 2 opposite sides have to have the same length. Even if I extended my parallelogram like this side will still be equal to this side, and this side will still be equal to this side. So for parallelogram and for rectangle, this is true. The opposite sides have to have the same length.